Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Toyota Corolla Axio ZRE152 hatch, stock reference number 4220. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2007 through to the 9th month 2012. It has a 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand guard, which appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear, 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Right-hand tail light. Right rear, 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror, indicator type, and a right front guard with one small dent. We have the right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black cloth center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with a display button. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.